Hello, my name is Ahmad Tahlawi. I'm working in ePro since 5 years now as a planning engineer and a BIM coordinator. Today I'm talking to you about automation and digital building design solution. We will dive a little bit inside all the information what my colleague said before. You hear a lot about now parametric modeling. We use Revit and other programs for this. Today I will talk about computational modeling, how this will work, what's the program we used for, and what's the difference between this and the parametric modeling system. And also I will talk about automation, how we will make our work automatic. It will work automatic with the engineers and the staff, and how this help us. And then I will talk about generative design. First of all, to explain all this to you, we need to talk about visual programming. Visual programming is like a programming. It's like the programmer need to type inside our system. They need to make our programs. But thank God that we have another solution. It's called graphic programming tools. This tools is it have algorithm or script. It can do modeling things, and it can do also bringing data from a program to another program. You can see here how this is powerful without any drawing, without any modeling inside the system. We just put information and we will get models. We made in ePro a lot of scripts, like these two scripts, for example. Each script had a special workflow. And this workflow can each of person work on it, and then he will use a final solution called Dynamo Player to work with this workflow. Here we can say in modeling, for example, we have a lot of varieties on the right hand of lamps with one workflow. This is a good solution to give us a lot of possibility with interior design. In other hand, also we can control the project information from the beginning. My friend or colleagues here, they talk a lot about cost, and from the beginning, if we can control a little bit the cost and a little bit the areas, a little bit what we have inside the project, then we will save a lot of time of working. And we dismiss a lot of problem information inside our project. This you can see now. This is a project, it's a competition. It's look like a block. We use just one type of window and a lot of areas. So the traditional workflow work with the automation. The traditional workflow, sorry, it's work like each person will have a workflow, and then all the person will make one target and a task. This will reflect in time and capacity in our team. With the automation system, we can change this effort, and can each person work with a lot of workflow, and then he will reach the task. Then we have a lot of tasks done in the same time. So this will affect on the capacity of the persons are using the programs and also the times. Here is an example about automation. We make tagging for every element inside our model. This tagging things, it took sometimes between 1 month till 2 months just to make this work. With automation and digital solution, we can make it in a short time. If I will enter a little bit in generative design with automation, we can see here, for example, how we generate a layout for the social distance guidelines, and this is a big talk about it now today. So the computer can fix this problem easy for us. So the traditional workflow in the design process, normally it will give us 2 solutions, 3 solutions maximum, and with this 2 solution we can't go back. Like if we are now in the LP5, we can't go back and take another design solution and come forward. But we hope with our generating modeling design, we will succeed this. In this workflow, you have always a lot of solutions are waiting for you. You can go back for them. They are active always, and they will save a lot of time of working. And in the next thread or in the next pictures, you can see also now a real project here in Dresden, how we start with this workflow, and it's really work good. We let the computer generate for us a lot of building type or a lot of designs. Here we have a challenge that the owner of the building wants just one design, and we see this design is not good. So we let the computer generate for us in 2 days the designs, and we transfer all this information using Dynamo and visual programming inside Revit. And then we make a lot of sun studies, and at the end we choose, and the owner choose another project, and this was amazing. And you can see here it is just in a second. In the left side you can see Dynamo, this is visual scripting programming, and in the right side is Revit. How in this time you can have elevations and 3Ds and information. It was great. It was super. Now working with ePro, we have a lot of time to make all this experiment. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you everybody.